The Filter by Account module allows you to set control on your account so that they can only be viewed by certain users only. To do that, first, go to General Maintenance, then click User Maintenance. Highlight a user and click Edit. Click Filter by Account Number, then click on Maintain Account Number. Check the checkboxes of the account number which are not allowed to be viewed or accessed by this user ID. For example, fixed asset, salaries, and example, taxation, general expense, office rental, and commission and allowances. So once done, click Save. Click Save. When user A log in using their user ID, they will not be able to view the account number that is excluded to them. So now, I will log in into the system again using user ID of user A. For example, once I log in into the system using user ID user A, if I click GL and journal entry, click New, I will not be able to view the fixed asset nor the other accounts that I hide, for example, the taxation, the office rental, etc.